In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com fast and easy. If you're managing projects or tasks on Monday.com and find yourself needing an exact copy of your board, whether to replicate workflows or just to make backups, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive into it step by step, ensuring you get it right the first time and save some valuable time. To start, you'll want to navigate to the board you wish to duplicate. Now keep your eyes near the board name. You'll notice a three-dot menu, sometimes affectionately known as the More Options or Kebab menu. Clicking on this reveals a drop-down menu with several options. The simplicity of this menu is one of Monday's strengths, guiding you intuitively to what you need. Next, once that menu has expanded, look for the option labeled Duplicate Board. You'll select this option to initiate the duplication process. It's as straightforward as it sounds, but don't rush it. The next choice is crucial, depending on your needs. Now comes a decision-making step. Monday.com offers you three choices: duplicate the structure, the items, or both. If you select structure, you're asking Monday to copy only the layout and column settings without any of the existing data. This is great if you're creating a fresh project with a similar setup, but don't need the historical work carried over. Alternatively, choosing items lets you replicate the entries or tasks along with specifics like attached documents or discussions, leaving the columns untouched. But if you're looking to make an exact replica, the both option will serve you best. This choice truly mirrors every detail, from tasks and discussions to the overall board layout. With your preferred option selected, the final move is to click Duplicate. This simple click sets everything into motion, creating a copy that fits your specifications perfectly. Depending on the complexity and size of your board, this duplication might take a moment. So a bit of patience here is key. And just like that, you've duplicated your board in Monday.com. This can be a fantastic way to streamline your work processes, ensure consistency across different projects, or back up essential data. Remember, knowing how to efficiently handle your boards can significantly enhance your productivity and reduce redundant tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, try exploring other features in Monday.com that may transform how you work day to day. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on duplicating a board in Monday.com. I hope it was clear and useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Happy organizing, and see you next time.